Hello everyone, this is Chetan and me and my team have created a project named Password Generator. So we have used the technology that is Reactjs. With the help of Reactjs, we have created a password generator. So this is how the folder structure looks like, and this is the main code of our project where we are using some hooks like useState, useCallback, useEffect and useRef, which are being imported from the React library. And over here, this part is the main logical part of our code, and basically this part is nothing but the displaying of the UI has been covered in this part. So let's understand what the code has been saying to us. So over here, these are the hooks that we are using. So each and every hook is having certain properties, like this hook will manage like the length of the string. Then this hook manages if the numbers are allowed in the password or not, and then this hook manages if characters are allowed or not, and then this hook manages the password, like the password that is being created, that should be stored in somewhere, right? So this handles the password. And then this is the status where we'll be, like, if you click on a button copy, we have created a button copy. So if you click on the button, the color of the button will be changed to a different color. So this manages the color of the button. This manages the color of the button. Next we have like the copying, like we have added a feature, like if you click on copy button, the password will be copied. So this manages the copy state of the app. So now over here we have like an arrow function that is password generator, which is using a callback function, which is use callback, and we're calling a callback function inside it. So what happens when you use callback is if any of the inputs are length, num allowed or char allow, if any of these things are being changed, and set password also, if any of these things are being changed, then only this function will be called. So let's say initially our password is empty, and we have a string where we have written all the characters from A to Z in both uppercase as well as lowercase. So this is the string that comprises all the uppercase and lowercase characters. And now if we say if num allowed, it means that if numbers are allowed, we'll add the numbers to the string, and if characters are allowed, we'll add characters, that is underscore, square brackets, at the rate and star to the string. So now this is how the random string is being generated in this thing, and then we are setting the states of password and copy status to green and set copy text to copy. So this is how the thing is working, and this is just like basic copying the password that we have generated. And this is the UI code where we have a bunch of devs and the things are handling the things. So as this thing is created in React.js and we have used white as our development server, so we'll be using the command to run our project, and the command will be npm run dev. So just a minute. Yeah, so here I'll write npm run dev. So now what will happen is our project will be going live on a certain port, that is basically localhost. So we have the localhost 5173 over here. Now if we just click on this, our project will start running. So over here you can see our project is currently running at the server localhost 5173. The password generator, this is the symbol of wheat. So over here, as you can see, like we have the UI over here, we have the password generated over here, some random password, and this is the copy button. If you click on copy, the state of the button is changing to red and the password is being copied. With the help of the slider, we can set the length of the string of how many hours we want. Like minimum you can have 6 and maximum you can have 50. Let's say if I want a password of 13 and I want numbers in it, so now you can see we have got some numbers over here. And let's say if I want characters also, so I have got even characters over here. So this is the basic project. Let's say if we want to create some of password of 18 characters, so here's the password of 18 characters, and if we click on copy, this is being copied also. Let's say if I paste it over here, so you can see the password has been copied and it is easy to paste. So yeah, that's our project on a password generator using React.js. Thank you.